I'm going to show you how to share your NGL link on Snapchat. This is a great way to ask your friends anonymous questions or get feedback. First, you'll need to have the NGL app installed on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've opened the NGL app, log in or sign up. After that, the app will generate your unique NGL link. Copy this link by tapping the Copy Link button. Next, open your Snapchat app. Create a snap as you normally would. Tap the paperclip icon on the right side of the screen and paste your NGL link into the URL field. Tap Attach to Snap, and the link will now be added to your snap. Once you're happy with how your snap looks, you can either send it directly to your friends or post it to your story. And that's it. You're all set to share your NGL link on Snapchat.